Hey, I'm going to show you an age-old traditional medicine recipe for urinary tract infections, clearing candida, kind of heaviness of joints, and it's barley water. Fantastic ingredient is barley, and I'm going to show you how to make barley water. Drink this every day to keep your system really balanced so it doesn't become too acidic. This is the super alkalizing barley water. First of all, you want to add about 2 handfuls of barley. This is organic pearl barley to a heavy base saucepan. I'm also going to add some wakame seaweed, and I'm going to add some lemon, and then I'm going to add 2 litres of water. And I'm going to put this on full blast, ignore that dirty oven. And I'm going to pop the lid on. You make sure you've got a good tight fitting lid, and I am going to bring that to the boil. Once this has come to the boil, then I'm going to turn down it to the lowest setting, and I'm going to put it on a slow rolling simmer for 1 hour. So this has been simmering for an hour. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to sieve this into a fine sieve, and I'm going to separate out the barley from the barley water, and I'm going to use a spoon and really squish all that really good liquid out. This is really going to help balance the alkaline and acid balance in the body. So, popping that there. Barley also helps to regulate blood sugars, keep you fuller longer. This is the ultimate health drink. Pop it into a jug, and then from here what I would do is either drink that down straight, in a mug, or pop it into a bottle, put it in the fridge, and when you want to use it, shake it up and add it half and half with a boiling water and your barley water. Drink it down every day, treat it like medicine, because that's what it is.